1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, hello, welcome back to the channel. Right, I'll do something a bit different. I haven't done it in a long time. A picking video. This is a Eurospec Easy T. We're going to do a bolt side. Easy T, this British standard 5 lever deadlock. Came for a job. I always find a little bit squidgy when they're old. When they're new, they're not too bad. So I'll show you how I get the wiring. So obviously get the wire, push in, drop it down, and then go inside. Okay, then you get your pick, push it in. From here, I lift it up slightly to the left. As I turn it, it drops into position. So it's in position now. Okay, so now I've got around the pack. Okay, not binding or anything. Nice and smooth. So I'll go for lever 1. Do a slight turn there. 2. So try and keep my hand underneath so you can see. 1, 2, 3. There we go, took the tension off. 4, 5. Make it solid there. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get a bit of a turn there. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm taking the tension off slightly. Oh, too much. 1, 2, 3. Got a slight turn. Again, that's not 3 because I've lost myself. That's 5, 5, 4. Solid. 3, 2, 1, 2. I'll take the tension off slightly. There you go. Don't know if it's much harder when I put my hand underneath. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've got a kick now. Okay, so because there's a kick, I'm going to take the tension off a little bit and see if any of these give me a counter rotation. 1. See there, it's lifting up. So there we go. It was 2. It was 2 that was holding it. Okay, so to get a bit of a counter rotation on that one. Okay, so there's that. Oh, good training lock is, I always find, my favourite is the era. The era is very different. The Easy T is a little bit squidgy, but you can feel it gradually pulling the ball back stage by stage by stage. But these ones are more, you go for the tap tap taps. So again, put the tool in, put the tool in to the side, put the pick in, slide to the left, turn it, that is in position. I have one on the pack. I'll start number 1, nothing, 2, nothing, now I'm looking for binding, 3, nothing, 4, binding, turn. Let's go to tap, get a little tap, and then 5. 5 is not binding anymore. 4, 3, 3 is binding, turn it. Yeah, checking for 5, 5 solid. Taking tension off a little bit there, go 5, 4, 3. So they effectively should be in. We'll go for 2, 2's here. There, that's not doing anything. So let's go there, 2. Come on. Okay, now I've got a big kick, but it's not tapping. So I tend to take the tension off a bit, but this, oh no, I'm at 1. Lost myself in the pack. 1. So I think, yeah, lost myself in the pack. So that is, take tension off. I'll use the whole pack. Here we go. Seems to be tapping. 5, 4, 3, 2 solid. There's 1, 2. Right. Too high, I think. Take tension off a little bit. 1. Yeah, no, 1's not tapping. Take tension off. Right, overlifted. Use tension again. There we go. It's picked open. Okay. What I like to do though is, well, you can see, just to make sure you can see it's, you know, the bolt is moving. Okay, the way I like to pick at those, I like to keep my finger on top. So that keeps you on top of the lever. So when you see me doing like this, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Oh, there we go. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 would be 5, 4, 3. And now on 2. See 2 not tapping. Oh, it slid off. There's me saying that. There we go. So we've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1's not tapping. Solid. Now 1 is tapping. 2 is not tapping. So take the pressure off. Release it slightly. Now I think I've overset. So as I've overset, I'm just taking tension off and put it down, and there, opened. Because I did overlift it. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.